Okay, so this is the third segment to our video presentation on the Honda 600 with the bike engine. And if you look here, this is a sacrificial engine block, actually two engine blocks from a Honda 600. The sun is kind of bright, I don't know if you can see that. But the differential portion of that case is missing. It's supposed to look like this one. We'll use that to make a differential to go in this car. This is going to be the hardest part of the whole swap and creation of this monster. I'll show you what I'm talking about. You can see the floorboards there. There's a great big hole, and it was a lot of work to get those CV axles in somewhat that position, because there's going to be a sprocket and a chain about right there. And then we'll cover it up with a plate or a cover so that our toes don't get caught. But that is this week's update of the bike engine Honda 600. Again, this is a 1970 Honda N600 that we are installing a bike engine in. Let me see if I can open his hood. Right there, dual overhead cam, high RPM, water-cooled monster. 4 carburetors on there. I believe this puts out about 89 horsepower, probably 40 foot-pounds of torque, which is about the same amount of foot-pounds of torque as the stock engine at 37 horsepower. So we'll see. It's going to be a high-winding monster. Thanks for watching.